Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to watch the beautiful song Aankhon Hi Aankhon Mein Ishara Ho Gaya from the movie CID. The movie stars Devanand, who happens to be one of my all-time favorite stars, and along with Shakila, and the singers are the great Mohammed Rafi and Geeta Dutt. So let's watch this gorgeous song and enjoy the melody.
आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में गाते हो गीत क्यों, दिल पे क्यों हाथ है, खोए हो किस लिए, ऐसी क्या बात है, ये हाल कब से तुम्हारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में चलते हो झूम के, बदले है चाल भी, नैनों में रंग है, बिखरे हैं बाल भी, इस दिलरुबा का नजारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में जोर है, अब ना वो शोर है, हमको है सब पता, दिल में जो चोर है, ये चोर कैसे गवारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में कैसा ये प्यार है, कैसा ये नाज है, हम भी तो कुछ सुने, हमसे क्या राज है, अच्छा तो ये दिल हमारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठ बैठ जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में
Okay, so there is a saying in music which goes something like the rhythm catches, but it's the melody that lasts. And I think O.P. Nair was a unique music director in the sense that he had the right blend and right mix of both rhythm and melody. Not only are his songs immediately catchy like their foot tapping, they also have melody, and so they're long lasting. They have long lasting value, which is why even now when we listen to his songs, we still enjoy the rhythm and the melody in those songs. If you just have rhythm songs, the songs are catchy but they're quickly forgotten. So it's even more laudatory if you are. It's great, even especially when you consider the fact that he did not have any training in classical music, which is very rare for those days. Those days, nearly all the music directors, all the major composers had significant to major training in classical music. And I think I have to tip my hat to him for sheer genius, because he has composed songs for so many years, and not only that, nearly all his songs, or a large majority of his songs, were like big hits. So this definitely, this is a beautiful song. The whole album is really has all gorgeous songs. All of them are really gorgeous. One anecdote regarding the movie is that apparently when Raj Khosla, the director of the movie, told Devanand that you will be having only one song where you'll be lip syncing. The rest of the songs are either on an extra, on extra actors, or they are in the background. Devanand was quite worried because Devanand always thought songs formed a major chunk, or had very high importance in his movies, and it also explains why his songs, the movies from his songs, people listen to even today. So when he heard that from Raj Khosla, he was a little bit worried, but Raj Khosla convinced him, and the movie was the biggest hit of that year. And like I mentioned below, the mention about the song picturization, and it's also very nice to see natural scenery in the songs. These days you don't get to see that. It's mostly urban jungle, or the songs are in the background. So that is one thing which for me was very refreshing to watch. And black and white definitely highlighted the looks of the actors and actresses. They both look very charming. And so coming to the singers, I always feel that when it comes to philosophical, moody, or introspective songs, I am personally biased towards Kishore Kumar. I feel that nobody else had contributed as much to the genre of philosophical, moody, introspective, contemplative songs as Kishore Kumar did, in terms of quality and quantity. But by the same token, when we think of frothy, fun, breezy, romantic songs, I have to say that nobody could beat Mohammed Rafi, and especially at his peak. This movie was in 1956, and Rafi was at the peak of his powers, both in terms of his voice texture, his the tonal quality of his voice, his expression, and the mellifluousness of his voice. Everything was at his peak during that time, and he just shone in the song. And the camaraderie that he had with Geeta Dutt in this duet was awesome, and I think they had a lot of such very nice duets, mostly from Guru Dutt's movies, and they are among my favorites. Their songs from Arpar, or even Mr. and Miss 55 and CID. So I'm really grateful, to Guru Dutt for bringing that combination along with O.P. Nair as a music director. They gave us some great gems through the years. So Devanand, he was never considered a great actor like some of his contemporaries like Raj Kapoor or Dilip Kumar or Balraj Sahni or Ashok Kumar, and some of the later actors as well. But I have to say that there is something about him that shines forth even today. I cannot explain what it is. It's not just good looks, because I'm sure there are other actors who are good looking as well. There's something that goes beyond that, which explains his long-lasting success. Even today, a lot of people that I know, young people, including myself, I am more open to watching Devanand movies than some of the movies of his contemporaries, because they seem outdated, the themes as well as the pace of the movie. But Devanand's movies, for some reason, had a easygoing pace, and the themes were pretty easygoing and not so serious and not so outdated, so that you can watch even today. And obviously they all had gorgeous songs, so that's another plus. So I think along with Shami Kapoor and Rajesh Khanna, Devanand got the best songs of Hindi cinema, at least the percentage wise. And I always enjoy watching his black and white movie songs. So I hope you guys had as much fun as I did watching this song. I was watching this song after a long time, and I really loved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you do like my video, if you like the song, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more videos, more reactions. I'm probably thinking of venturing into other areas as well, because history, Indian history, Indian mythology also happens to be one of my favorite subjects, and there are a number of videos that I want to watch on those topics as well. So please do watch out for those topics as well, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you all next video. Bye.